Hey everybody, it's me. This video is just for those of you who weren't able to join us in class and do our genetics egg work. I wish that you would be able to join us in the future. I hope that you can. I know sometimes things happen, internet, whatever, but I hope that you're making every effort to join because we're going to be doing a lot more with working with other people, working in small groups. So hopefully we can make that nice for you guys and it'll be more fun. So I know you can't really look at the eggs and stuff and see what we're doing, but you should look at that assignment that I gave you, and then we'll take a look. So if you look and see for egg color, you can have pink, purple, or orange all together, and it goes 2 big P's are for purple, a big P and a little p is orange, and 2 little p's is pink. So I've got some of those eggs here. And then on the other side, you'll see that we have blue, yellow, and green. So blue is 2 big B's, yellow is 2 little b's, and green is a big and a little b. So let's look at the first example. So you can have that assignment out that you're looking at. The first one I did in the example is of a green and blue egg. So what you have to do in this assignment is basically first identify the phenotype and genotype. Phenotype is the physical trait, and genotype is the letters that represent the genes that it has, whether it's 2 dominant, 2 recessive, or heterozygous, a dominant and a recessive. So in this case, if we look, the top of our egg is green, the bottom is blue. So when we're putting in our genotype, we can say that one half of the egg is big B, little b. The other half of our egg is big B, big B. And if you look in that assignment, you'll see that that's what's filled in the Punnett square already on the outside. So you'll see that there's a part where there's got 2 big B's, and on the side it's a big and a little. To fill in our Punnett square, we always take the top down and move the left over. So in our first box, you'll have 2 big B's. In our second box, you'll have 2 big B's. In the third box, so like in the first column at the very bottom, you'll have a big B and a little b. And the last one, you'll have a big B and a little b. So that's what's inside of our Punnett square. So we see we have 2 big B's, 2 big B, big B's, and 2 big B, little b's. That's what's inside of our Punnett square. So what is the Punnett square actually telling us or showing us? Well, it's a prediction, and it's predicting what is inside this egg, meaning like what kinds of different offspring could these 2 parents have based on what genes they pass down. So in this case, we're passing down egg color. So what we're going to do, or what we did in class then, is after we predicted and figured out what should be inside the egg, we predicted it, then we pop open the egg, satisfying pop, and then we look inside at their babies, and they look like beads because they're beads. And if you look, since we had 2 big B, big B's, we see 2 blue babies, here they are, and then we had 2 big B, little b's, and so we have 2 green babies, and here they are. So what's inside the egg matches the prediction. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hold up some eggs. You'll pause the video, fill in your Punnett square. I'm going to show you 5 of them. This was the example that's already done if you're following along in your assignment. But I'm going to hold up 5 different eggs. I'll have to do like a separate video or a separate surprise of something to tell you the colors, or I can give you what colors they are in an email or something if you want to see if you got them right or not. But then all you have to do is look at them. Here will be your first one. You have to figure out their genotype based on their phenotype, and then fill in the Punnett square to figure out what you can almost see what could be in there. But then you can figure out what color babies that these 2 halves of an egg will have. So your first one is a yellow and green egg. Now remember, look on your chart. I'm going to tell you it for this one. I won't tell you for the other ones necessarily. Yellow is 2 little b's. Look on your chart. Green is a big B and a little b. Okay, look on that chart. That's going to tell you what color matches up, color, phenotype, matches up with what letters, genotype. It's in there. I promise. It's in there. Okay, I'm not going to show you what's inside because you have to do your prediction, and then you can tell me and I'll tell you if you're right or wrong. The next one, let's do an easy one. It's pink and pink. So a pink top and a pink bottom. And it's not a guess. It's probability. So you fill in your Punnett square to find out what babies would be inside, okay, of a pink top and a pink bottom. By the way, pink, it's on the other side of the chart. That's the peas. So pink is 2 little peas. Okay, now I'm not going to tell you the rest. Okay, this is a good one. A purple top and an orange bottom. So we've looked at 3 so far. Yellow and green, pink and pink. Now we're looking at purple and orange. This is one of the harder ones. Orange and orange. I know you're like, Miss Huff, that's something easy. Will it? Let's find out, okay? So orange top, orange bottom, and let's see. Yeah, we'll do green and green. I know you're like, Miss Huff, those seem easy. Are they? You'll find out, okay? So those are your colors, okay? I'm going to show them to you again. So you had yellow and green, pink and pink, purple and orange. Oh, wrong order. Orange and orange. And last, green and green. Okay, so you're going to fill in the Punnett squares for these and then predict what's going to be inside. I can tell you or show you at another time. I don't want to show you in this video and spoil it. So you can do it. And then send that in to me. And next time, hopefully when we're doing like a group thing, you'll be able to join us. And it'll be lots of fun. And it'll be like we're back in school like normal, which will make everyone feel good. Okay, well, that's really all I wanted to do in this video is kind of give you the eggs so that way you can do this on your own. I know it's not as much fun as doing it with another person or in person, but it is what it is. All right, I will see you later. Bye.